Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her culinary skills and her passion for cooking. One day, while cleaning her late grandmother's attic, Maya stumbled upon an old recipe book. The book was filled with handwritten recipes, but one particular recipe caught her eye. It was titled The Lost Recipe. Intrigued, Maya decided to embark on a culinary adventure to unravel the mystery behind the lost recipe. Maya carefully examined the recipe, but it was written in an old language that she couldn't fully understand. Determined to decode it, she started researching and seeking help from the village elders. With their guidance, Maya slowly deciphered the ancient words and discovered that the recipe belonged to a legendary dish that had been lost for centuries. Excited, Maya gathered the ingredients mentioned in the recipe, including exotic spices and rare herbs. She followed the instructions diligently, chopping, stirring, and simmering, as the kitchen filled with a tantalizing aroma. Hours later, Maya unveiled the finished dish, a culinary masterpiece that looked and smelled divine. Unable to resist, Maya took a bite of the dish, and instantly, she was transported to a world of flavors she had never experienced before. The taste was rich, complex, and utterly delicious. Maya was overjoyed, and she knew that she had uncovered a hidden gem in the form of the lost recipe. Maya's culinary triumph soon spread throughout the village, and people from all around came to taste her extraordinary creation. The lost recipe became the talk of the town, and Maya's fame as a talented chef grew. She was invited to cook at prestigious events and featured in cooking shows. Maya's life took a new direction as she pursued her passion for cooking, thanks to the discovery of the lost recipe.